Hello. So, what is up guys and welcome back to my new video. तो इस वीडियो में मैं मंक मोड के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ जिसके मैं आप लोगों के साथ ही जाने वाला हूँ साथ में. सो मंक मोड क्या होता है, इसके क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं और मैं ये क्यों करने वाला हूँ अब, और मैं क्यों आपको भी सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि आप भी मेरे साथ करो. ठीक है, तो अगर आप किसी को उसकी जर्नी पे फॉलो करते हो ना, तो दैट्स बेटर कि अगर आप पहले से ही किसी मल्टी मिलियनर को फॉलो कर रहे हो, क्योंकि उनकी लाइफ और आपकी लाइफ में बहुत फ़र्क है. मेरी और आपकी लाइफ में इतना फ़र्क नहीं है. इवन दो आई मेड ओवर $12,000 नाउ, लाइक आई मेड ओवर $12,000 टू 17-year-old इन इंडिया. ठीक है, तो ये इतने भी पैसे नहीं हैं, तो आप और मुझ में ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क नहीं है. तो आप भी मेरी तरह ही पैसे कमा सकते हो इफ़ यू fucking lock in, put your head down, go on monk mode and like just grind, bro. Like whatever your niche is, whatever business you wanna start, you can start after going on monk mode. So मैं monk mode में क्यों जा रहा हूँ और मेरे monk mode में क्या क्या steps होने वाले हैं जो मैं आपको भी सजेस्ट करूँगा, आप भी फॉलो करें. तो first of all, I'm making this video. I've just came from the gym like 15-20 minutes ago, and I opened the camera. I thought let's record some videos for you all guys. So monk mode में कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ, लाइक कौन कौन से मैं प्रोटोकॉल्स फॉलो करूँगा और मैं क्या क्या आपको भी सजेस्ट करूँगा, आप भी फॉलो करें. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू क्विट ऑल द जंक फूड. आई ईट once or twice a week. I'll quit it all like 100% and I'll only eat organic food made at home. So that's the first step, clean eating. Now the second step is I will go to the gym every day. Like I went today, I will go to the gym every day, 6 times a week, 1.5 to 2 hours every single day. From 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. I'll go to the gym every single day for the entire year now. Like I'm going on monk mode for an entire year. You can go on that for some months or 6 months or even 2 months. You can try it out and see changes in your own life as well. And I'll be focusing more on my trading plans. I will try to make more money. Even though I'm making a lot of money right now, I made over $300 today, which is around 25,000 Indian rupees. मेरे को इसे स्केल करना है और मुझे कंसिस्टेंटली 1 से 2 लाख रुपए एक दिन में कमाने हैं, which might be a big goal for you guys if you're just starting out. I started like 3 months ago, more than 3 months ago, like in the beginning of May. I started doing all that, but I was researching and learning for years. और जो मैंने फाइनली जो मैंने स्टेप लिए ऑन द राइट डायरेक्शन और राइट टाइम पर, आई मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. एंड यू कैन डू इट एज वेल इफ यू फकिंग लॉक इन, लाइक फोकस ऑन द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट एंड यू कैन मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एज वेल. तो मैं इस टाइम पे अपने बिजनेस पे फोकस करने वाला हूँ और मैं अपना जो मैं नया ऑनलाइन स्टोर खोल रहा हूँ मैं उसके ऊपर फोकस करने वाला हूँ. आई विल इम्प्रूव माई ट्रेडिंग स्किल्स इवन मोर. I trade ZAO USD and Euro USD. Like these are my favorite pairs. Even though ZAO USD, you may say that it's too much volatile, but I just love it and I will keep on trading it because I'm making a lot of money from it. Like, yeah, it's risky. Like market can go down or up in a few seconds in ZAO USD, but still, I love it and I love it, and I've always been profitable in trading. I'll never lost money in trading because I took proper risk management and proper lots, seeing my balance. I never went like कि मेरे को आज अपने बैलेंस पे 50% गेन करना है. नो, आई हैव गेन 10 to 15% in a day. Like I have even gained 20% on my balance in one day, but you can say it was 50% skill and 50% gamble. Yeah, even though I had stop losses and stuff, but yeah, my analysis was right and my trades were going up, so I didn't stop them. And I took a load amount of profit. मैंने उस पर टेक प्रॉफिट भी नहीं लगाया था because I was so confident in my strategy and my analysis. मैंने उसे जाने दिया and when I saw like अब बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट हो गया है, I should book it right now. I just confirmed and finished the order. So I'll be improving my trading skills. I'll be opening a new business. I'm already focusing on my existing coin business, and I'll be more aware of the crypto news, what's going in the crypto market, like how can I take benefit from this crypto burn going on, like the pump and dump of Bitcoin all day, every day. it's 658,000 today, it will go below 50,000, it will go 52,000, it will come back to 60,000, it will go back to 50,000. You can make a fuck ton of money from this if you do the right analysis and long or short your trade at the right time. ठीक है, अभी एक ही दिन में like 17% गिरा था बिटकॉइन, like 15 to 17%, and it was huge. अगर आपने उस टाइम फ्रेम के अंदर शॉर्ट करा होता बिटकॉइन स्लैश यूएसडीटी को, you would have made a fuck ton of money, but you didn't, and even I didn't, right? Because I was so focused on other stuff, I didn't focus much on crypto those days, right? और वही है, in monk mode I'll have more time, I'll be more focused, my mind would be more clearer because I'll be going to gym every day, I'll be eating right, and I'll be behaving right and consistently every single day, right? सबसे पहले आपको monk mode के अंदर सब कुछ जंक फूड को सब कुछ हटा देना है. You have to eat clean, you have to go to the gym every single day, you have to set a time. Like me personally, I'm 17 years old. Most 17 years old will sleep at 2 3 a.m. and like have a shitty sleep, have a bad day, like with zero energy. I was like that before, I was like that for years and years, but now I've changed. I sleep at 10 at night, I wake up at 6 or 7, like according to my need. I wake up at 6 or 7 a.m. I grab my bicycle and I ride for 5 kilometers. I love it. Like it refreshes me up in the morning and makes me motivated for the entire day ahead. ठीक है, आप भी ये कर सकते हो, आप भी मेरे को फॉलो कर सकते हो. Like I wake up, like I sleep on a proper time. I take 8 to 9 hours of sleep every single day. If I'm focusing on my business, I'm upskilling myself. I'm even learning full stack development, like the entire full stack development. I'm learning to code, I'm focusing on my businesses, on my trading, and I'm also creating content to improve my personal speaking skills as well, and teaching you all guys in the process, right? मेरे को कंटेंट से कुछ ऐसा वो नहीं है गोल कि मेरे को कंटेंट बना के लाइक कुछ मेरे को पैसे कमाने हैं या कुछ. नो, आई जस्ट लाइक क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, आई लाइक स्पीकिंग टू द कैमरा. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक यूट्यूब चैनल बना के जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसे पोस्ट ही कर दिया जाए. Who knows? I may go viral after 100 or 200 videos, or even this video will go viral. We never know, right? We never know about the algorithm and how much it is showing to the audience. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, इस पर कमेंट करें. So guys, don't forget to follow Monk Mode, right, and follow my journey along with me and experience those benefits as well, so that you can be financially independent, you can be healthy, and you have a clear mind and focus for whatever you want to achieve in your life. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Goodbye.